In this class, we see about the fatty acids. The fatty acids are the basic unit of lipids. We know about that. The fatty acids are carboxylic acids with hydrocarbon chains and are represented by a chemical formula or COOH. R stands for hydrocarbon chain, which means many carbon hydrogen compounds or functional groups present in there. So the fatty acids are amphipathic in nature. Amphipathic means the both hydrophilic and hydrophobic nature exist in that one chemical. So the fatty acids are the basic unit of lipids. Here we see about the classification of fatty acids. The fatty acids are classified into four major classes. First one is straight chain fatty acid, branched chain fatty acids, substituted fatty acids, cyclic fatty acids. First we see about the straight chain fatty acids in which the carbons are arranged linearly. So these are under straight chain fatty acids. They are also divided into two classes, saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. First, we see about the saturated fatty acids. There is no double bond in the hydrocarbon chain, that means the R group. These are called as the saturated fatty acids. These are subclassified into again two even carbon acids and odd carbon acid. The even carbon acid carry even number of carbons. Two double we divide into divided we can divide it by 2. So the carbon acids carry even number of carbons. Example, palmitic acid of palm oil and stearic acid that contain the carbon R form, R group, that means the hydrocarbon chain contain this even carbon acids. Then odd carbon acid carry odd number of carbons. So odd number of carbon is present here. Example, propionic acid. Next, unsaturated fatty acids. So opposite to that of saturated fatty acids, these contain double bonds in their hydrocarbon chain. There are subclassified into number of double bonds present in the structure as follows. Monoenoic or monounsaturated fatty acid. Next, polyenoic or polyunsaturated fatty acid. First, we monoenoic or monounsaturated fatty acids carry a single double bond in the molecule. Example, oleic acid from olive oil. Next, polyenoic or polyunsaturated fatty acids contain two or more double bonds. So for example, dienoic acids have two double bonds. Example, linoleic acid of soybean, sunflower, safflower, and groundnut oil. Next, trienoic acid have three double bonds. Linolenic acid present in poppy seed oil, linseed oil. Next, tetraenoic acid with four double bonds. Example, arachidonic acid present in groundnuts. Next, we see about the branched chain fatty acids. These are less abundant than straight chain acid in animals and plants. Example, isovaleric acid, isobutyric acid. Next, substituted fatty acids. These have one or more hydrogen atom have been replaced by another group. It is simply defined as instead of the hydrogen atom, one or more hydrogen atoms, some of the another groups are added. Example, lactic acid of blood, cerebronic acid and oxynervonic acid, brain glycolipids. Next, resinolic acid of castor oil. Next, cyclic fatty acid. Fatty acids bearing cyclic groups are present in some bacteria and seed lipids. Example, hydrocorpic acid of Cholmogra seed. Next, functions we see about the functions of fatty acids. There are three physiological functions. First, serve as the building block of phospholipids and other all lipids. These amphipathic molecules are important component of biological membranes. Next, derivatives serve as hormones. Example, prostaglandins, inflammation creating substance. Next, fatty acids serve as a major fuel for most cells, so this give energy, too much energy for us.